What's up guys, Jico Spice here, back with another video today. And in this video today, I have a new product which just came in the mail. And it's the Super Bowl. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. I'm super stoked. Here we go. Alrighty, so like I said, I have a cup holder mount sent over to me by Tuvren. Tuvren is the sponsor of this video, and they've already sponsored me in the past. Tuvren makes an assortment of cool cases, car holder mounts, and etc. It's a great company. I love their product. I just want to promote them because they sponsored the video today. So thank you, Tuvren, and I'm excited to be working with you guys. Alrighty, so getting right into the video, we have the car cup mount holder. You plug it into your cup holder, and then you stick your phone on it, and you can use it in any which way direction. All you have to know is it's a car cup holder mounter that you plug into your cup holder, and then you stick your phone on it. It's that basic and that easy. But we're going to be testing it out today outside with my car, so we're going to be getting to that in just a second. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like without being inside an actual car. So the packaging right off the bat is pretty simple. Just, you know, your self-explanatory packaging. And as you open it, it comes in two pieces of mounting. So basically you have the piece where you push your phone into, and then you also have the part where you are able to adjust your phone and plug it into the car cup holder. And right off the bat, the dongle that is able to be moving around with your phone is really durable. It's able to move in an assortment of directions. You can really move it 365 degrees if you wish to choose so. All you have to do is just stick it into your car, and boom, you're ready to go. All right, so we're outside now. We're gonna go put the cup holder in the car, so let's get in the car. All right, guys, so we're in the car now, and we're heading out, but we're gonna do some testing with the cup holder. Now, the mount that I'm using, I only have one camera. I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna record, but I'll give you guys some cool shots of the cup holder in the car, but I'll also be showing you footage from what it looks like when I'm using the cup holder. So let's journey off. So right off the bat, I can tell you that this thing, the cup holder, really stable in the grip. It can be tightened. It looks a little loose right now, but I can tighten it. But I mean, all you're doing is putting it in a cup holder and taking it back out. So I really wouldn't worry too much about that. But I'm gonna get into the footage of showing you guys what it's like inside the cup holder. So let's get right into that. So yeah, it's a really nice day, like I said. But yeah, the cup holder is doing pretty well. I mean, I've been moving it around for the last minute. You can rotate multiple directions. You can go up and down. It can even expand if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. You wouldn't even fit like a phone in there or something upon that, like an iPad or a tablet. I think this could fit something like that in there, but we'll see what we can do when we test to it. So when we get back to my house, we'll do some testing inside the cup holder mount, and then we'll see and review what my final finish is and I guess touch-ups of what this could be. So let's see, and I'll see you guys back at the house. Peace. So you guys right now are in the cup holder mount. You guys are stable, smooth. I can move you guys any direction, which. I mean, it's just gonna bounce a little. But once it stabilizes, it's gonna be fine. Your phone's gonna be strongly connected, and it's not gonna fly over the place when you make those sharp turns in your car, which is good. As a reminder, this does come with this plastic feel that holds on your phone with a better grip. Remember always just to put it in the middle so you get the best support out of your phone. Obviously, just use it as a self-explanatory piece. It's gonna be easy to use. All you have to do simply is just plug it in and go. It is below you, and you have to look down from the road, which is kinda scary, but if you learn how to do this at stoplights and you get a quick call and just, you know, answer that quick phone call, you'll be set and ready to go to hit the road. As I'm in my car, I'm able to show you a plethora of ways I'm able to move this mount. It's basic, it's simple, it's easy. I know I say that a lot, but most of the products out there that you're gonna be using today in this world are just gonna be made easy to use. I was able to connect this thing in less than 10 seconds to my car, ready to go. So I can move it from here, 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 and I don't even have it tightened in yet. Now watch as I tighten it. I'm tightening it. It should be in there. And it got so tight, it was pulling up my cup holder. That's how tight this thing gets in there. It's crazy. So watch, it's in there. I can't get it out. No. So I got this Samsung that's not working, but I'm just using it as a phone demonstration in this video. So I can turn it multiple ways, flip it around, all the way around, kind of like a steering wheel in like Mario Kart. It's kind of cool. I can turn it multiple ways, up, down, sideways. See, buttons are being pressed. And you know, if I got kids in the back, I could turn this into a tablet. And basically, all I ever had, see, look at that. It even ripped up my thing. So literally, all you would have to do to make this an iPad or something that you could use for the kids in the back to watch, all you would have to do is this. Watch, I got it sideways. Obviously, this is for demonstration purposes, but I could literally press these 2 buttons on the side. It pops this thing up way higher. Look how much higher it popped the thing up. Boom, all the way up there. Pop. Then you can turn it sideways if you wanted to, and then you still got this extra length to fit in. You could throw an iPad in there, no problem. Turn it sideways, bam, you got an iPad right there. And if you need it wider for your iPad, bam, there you go. Look, 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 check this out. It goes that far out. Look how much bigger area and real estate you got to put an iPad in there. Are you telling me you can't fit an iPad in there? You can. But without further ado though, let's go back in the house and just finish up this video. So that's pretty much it. This is 2Ren's car mount holder. I'm super stoked to be unboxing this video for them today. Thank them so much for sending over this because this thing is really awesome. I plan to be using this in my car, so great job 2Ren. You're making awesome products. Just stay with it. Outside that, I just want to thank everyone who's been staying up with my channel. I know it's been hard for me to post lately. School has been getting super crazy this second semester, so I'm trying to go as hard as I can to get those good grades. So thank you guys so much for staying with my channel. And I'll be talking to you guys very soon. Videos are coming, so don't give up and just keep watching these videos. And I tell you, the great videos will be coming out. So again, thank you 2Ren for sending over this car mount holder. It was an awesome review, and I hope to be working with you guys furthermore in the future. And that's pretty much it. So Jico Spice out. I'm filming this the day of the Super Bowl, so I hope you guys enjoy the Super Bowl. I don't really have anyone I'm picking to win, so just have fun with your friends and family, and I wish you guys a happy Super Bowl. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.